E aí galera do canal, beleza galera? O que falar do Campeonato Brasileiro em Goianápolis? Resumindo, lotado, muita gente bonita, gente top, som automotivo galera, é o que não faltava naquele lugar. E quero parabenizar todo mundo do evento, a galera super organizada, interligaram os carros via rádio. O evento ficou coisa mais linda, todos os carros tocando junto. Galera, vocês estão de parabéns, a galera dos Rebaixados também, foi show de bola. Obrigado pelo carinho, pela galera que comprou nossos adesivos do canal, foi uma recepção extraordinária. Recado rápido, Maceió, Alagoas vai receber o Campeonato Brasileiro de Som e Rebaixados pela primeira vez, dia 16 de julho, lá no Espaço Adepol, às 9 horas da manhã. Estarei lá junto com vocês. Pra quê? Pra gente fazer a cobertura e gravar lá as carangas, o som automotivo da galera, as motos. Vai ser show de bola. Então solta o vídeo que tá show, solta, curte que tá top. Valeu!
You're the biggest wall around me, bet your ass I knock it down. Got 1,000,000 miles on me, guess I'm known to move around. What's your business in my business, if you far from how I sound? What's your wisdom to my wisdom, when your head up in the clouds? I think I know, a novice is glowing that think that he know it but really don't own it. I'm obviously knowing my prophecy showing I'm more than a shogun. I'm honestly holding some shiny heat golden, just watch me just blow up. I'm more than 16s and spitting some dreams that put you in comas. My class in the skies with a blast, so you blind won't pass. On my prime start tracking the prize, won't lag on my grind. Just tag up designs, just smack up your mind in a package so fine. Stacking these rhymes at a dictionary size with these visionary guys on a mission getting right. Won't miss a damn night, gotta get a well fight, cause I've been a broke type and it's not what I like. Can't see how I'm living, can't paint out my pain. Can't see how I vision, can't draw out my ways. Can't see how I mix it, can't sketch out these waves. Can't see this existence, you missing my page. It's all about you missing my page. It's all about I'ma take off in a fast car, sounding like a NASCAR. 100 acres in my backyard, I stay in good pussy when my dick hard. I like my blunts fat like dick bros. I like dreams, not day jobs, and my eyes look Asian. I like bad girls, I'm good with persuasion. I wanna stack money and take a vacation. I've been real since day one. If you wanna hate, say something, don't talk too much when you know it ain't nothing. Being famous, my day coming. What you always down me for? Yeah, I'm blowing up like C4. What you think I took a girl out of jeans for? What you think I ride with my team for? On the road to fame, like fuck the detour. Yeah, you know I expect less and work for more. I'll be in a drop top, coming for the top spot. Yeah, your girl love everything I got, cause I'm killing shit like RoboCop. Bitches stay fake just like Photoshop. FYI, your flow ain't hot. Take $1 million bitch to IHOP. In camo shorts, a long white tee and high tops. When I smoke dip, all I do is smoke moon rocks. Look, everyone know the name like they know the show Boondocks. Chefs stay old school like a boombox. People like who's hot, I'm like you not. But I kill shit with James and Apex. Haters make statements, I just say facts. Success is the best payback. I'ma smoke weed and just lay back. Don't talk cause I just say stats. It's all about it's all about page. It's all about how you see it. You know I started with no money, girl, that shit is no secret. You know they doubting on my ways, claims that I won't achieve it. But that doubt don't rule my day, cause I don't believe it. Yeah, yeah, it's all about how you see it. Fuck you talking, who's the best for when you could be it. Yeah, I smoke weed for my mind so I can free it. Fuck you talking all that shit for if you don't believe it.
retrovisores.